Yo guys, so today I'm going to be doing a bike check. So this is my Mafia. These are the Mafia grips. They're quite soft, and yeah, I just got them recently. And then I have the normal bars that come with the Carrera, so they're just Carrera bars. And then my brakes, I got disc brakes. They're not that good. They're just the default ones that come with the Carrera as well. And then I've got a Carrera Vendetta. And if you come here, I've got the LH collector bike seat. And I got the Carrera Vendetta because you can see that the tyres they're quite big and thick for wheeling. It's good balance. And then I've got the standard derailleur that comes with the Carrera and Carrera pedals. Everything else is just what come with the Carrera really, and the forks, suspension, everything that just comes with the bike. So yeah, that's it. We're just gonna go out on the bike, get some clips. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, so we're on the bike now. It's a bit dead because I've got no one to film me, so we're just gonna have to get set up. So yeah. Alright, it's a good place, I guess. So let's get my glove on. Where's my glove? Oh, let's get my glove on and do some wheelies, I guess, down the road. I've got no one to film me a long way, so I guess I'll just have to do it in the little space that I have here. Okay, that's going to be it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a first-person wheelie. With my phone tucked into my t-shirt. So yeah, I'll see you then.